Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this video are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that what I'm sharing here is based on my personal experience using this tool. We're taking a look at LunoTax, found at https://lunotax.com. This online platform is designed to simplify and streamline the often complex process of cryptocurrency tax reporting. For anyone involved in the crypto space, understanding your tax obligations can be a daunting task, and LunoTax aims to make it significantly easier. LunoTax provides a range of features to assist users in accurately calculating their crypto taxes. From importing transaction data from various exchanges to generating comprehensive tax reports, the platform strives to be a one-stop solution for all your crypto tax needs. One of the key benefits highlighted is its compatibility with numerous exchanges and wallets, allowing users to consolidate their transaction history from multiple sources. Furthermore, LunoTax boasts a user-friendly interface, designed to be accessible even for those new to cryptocurrency. Navigating the platform and generating reports is intended to be intuitive and straightforward. Additionally, LunoTax emphasizes security and privacy, assuring users that their sensitive financial data is protected. They employ robust security measures to safeguard user information and maintain confidentiality. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting out, LunoTax presents itself as a valuable tool for managing your crypto tax obligations. It offers a way to keep track of your transactions, calculate gains and losses, and generate the necessary reports for filing your taxes. With the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency regulations, utilizing a platform like LunoTax can be crucial for staying compliant and avoiding potential issues. Its focus on simplification and user-friendliness makes it an attractive option for those seeking a more streamlined approach to crypto tax management.